Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Xiaomi POCO F4 GT smartphone, and in this video we would like to share the top 3 apps that you can get on this device. So let's go ahead and start. The first app is called PhotoMath, and it allows you to take a photo of any math problem and get it solved. For example, let's feed this quadratic equation to it. So all we gotta do is to align it with this frame. Tap on this red circle button, and as you will see now, our quadratic equation will be successfully solved. So here we can see the detailed solving steps, the explanation for those steps, and all other kinds of things. So if you're a student, it's a very useful app to have. The second app that we would like to share with you guys is called WTMP and stands for Who Touched My Phone. So this app allows you to imperceptibly take photos from the selfie camera of your smartphone once the smartphone and the device itself is being unlocked, or there are some attempts to unlock your screen. So here we're also provided with some brief explanations on how this app works and how we should use it. In order to start, just tap on this gray power button, tap on OK. Here allow the WTMP app to and access to the camera. The battery usage optimization can be skipped, but we are also obliged to allow the usage access. So find the app in the list, turn on the switch, wait for the OK button to become active. And as you will see now, our power button turned green, and that ultimately means that the application is running and active. So for example, let's pretend that we are trying to unlock the phone. We have some kind of pattern here and we don't know it, so we're trying to enter it but fail, and we just decide to lock the phone and leave it as it is. Next time we actually take the phone and unlock it, we'll see the 2 entries, one of them being the device is not unlocked and the respective photo from the selfie camera is taken, and the other is device actually other entry is actually tied with the fact that we have unlocked the device. Alrighty, so we are moving on to the third app that is called Caffeine. In part of showing you what this app is capable of, I'll go to the settings, choose the display category. Oh, my bad. I will choose the always on display and lock screen category, and here at the sleep section, you'll see that the highest value you can choose is 10 minutes. But what should you do? For example, if you want to set the sleep timer to never, so your screen will not turn off automatically at all you gotta do for that is to download this free Play Store app called Caffeine, open it, and make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will ultimately mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, no matter for how much time your screen and phone in general will be in the idle status, it will not automatically turn off its screen and get locked. Alrighty, so that was it, not only for the Caffeine app, but for this video in general. So if you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!